Welcome back to another broker video. Now on top is still EnviFX, and today we are going to pick one of your comments, which today is going to be LQDFX. So that is a Forex broker. So we're going to jump into that shortly. But again, make sure you comment down below which broker you would like me to see. Before we jump in, I'm not a financial advisor. I do this for educational purposes only. Right now, like always, we start with the winner, which was EnviFX. Now, as we can go into EnviFX, I have done a full breakdown of this broker before, so take a look at our previous videos, but let me just breeze through this so we can get on to our new challenger. Okay, so what we can see is regulated, licensed, secure. You can trade and invest in the effective way, which is always very important to make sure your broker is regulated and licensed. Okay, so as we can see, they have super tight spreads covering a lot of the pairs, majors, crosses, exotic, indices, energies, cryptos, shares, US shares, and also metals. And as we go down the account funding, you can see you can deposit with two different options, which is huge for EnviFX, which has pipped them on previous challenges as well. Okay, so not only that, but you can get your debit, credit, and bank deposits. So that's straight from your bank, your credit card, your debit card. You can deposit and withdraw straight back to your bank. Not only that, you can do deposits with crypto as well. So if you do have crypto and you prefer that more secure, off the radar, shall we say, deposits, then you can do that as well. As we go down, they also offer multiple different aspects with Envi, where they get the market expertise, where you can have the EAs, the market insights, analyst tools, which are also available with EnviFX. And that becomes all just by signing up. You haven't got to get the different account types, which we've had before. You've also got passive income. So if you have a community or an influence in the community, then you can also get that passive income, which multiple streams of income is very important in this day and age. Not only that, but you have revolutionary technology. You have one platform, but multiple different opportunities in there. And you can trust them. Like I said before, they're regulated, licensed, and it's the safest trading environment around. Okay, so not only that, but you can see at the very top, they are available on MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, but they also have their WebTrader as well in case MetaTrader is not available in your country. So they have multiple different options. Me personally, as a trader, I love the way MetaTrader works. I love the way you can execute trades, etc. Mobile, desktop, any of that. So I'm happy that's still available in the country I am. But what we're going to do is we're going to head on over to the competition of LQDFX. Okay, so what we can see big time at the moment is it's swap-free trading to boost your profits. Also, you can trade with zero commission, which is honestly really good with Forex because you know that what you've won, you don't have any commissions taken off just for taking those trades. Okay, not only that, they've got those 6 points right there. The STP execution, which we've said, spread starting from zero, which is huge for Forex because like I said in previous videos, with spreads, where you enter, normally it sends you up or it sends you down depending on the buy or sell. But they're saying spreads from starting from zero. I'm not too sure which one has zero spreads yet, but we will dive into that. They've got no transaction fees, swap-free Forex orders, and up to 1,000 leverage, and also a customer support of 24/5. Okay, so looking at the spreads, we can... Oh, okay, the spreads are blank, but let's dive into the spreads a little bit more. Okay, so looking at the main pairs, you can see EG is a 1.4 for a short and -5 for a long. And if we go down to gold, whereabouts can we find? Okay, so gold is 5 for a short and 36 for a long. So that is actually quite a big number for gold. But what I can see, it also covers commodities, indices, cryptos, and stocks. So you can actually trade crypto on this, even though it's saying that it is a Forex broker. But what I can see is the bigger plan you have. So they've got different account types. So with the different account types, the VIP one obviously offers that zero spreads that they're advertising on the front page. So if we go back to that page and we dive into a little bit more. Okay, so account types. If we look at the account types at a glance, we can see that with the live accounts, the micro account, which is your minimum deposit of $20, you can see that you get probably the worst options, I'm guessing, as we go through. ECN, you have to deposit 500, minimum's 500. VIP, which is where you get zero spreads, you do have to do a minimum deposit of $25,000. Now, I know not everyone's going to have that, so that's going to be a bit of a play in this, I personally think. But what they do offer is 100% bonus on your first deposit, which is massive. So for example, if you were to deposit $500, it means that you can trade with $1,000. You won't be able to withdraw that, but it means that your profits will be higher because you've got more money to trade with. So that's up to $20,000, which is obviously huge. Okay, so not only that, but they have a free VPS for uninterrupted trading. What that means is you can flexible trade environment using that to facilitate the execution process, delivering safety against unforeseen failures. Okay, so we can see that they've got crypto down here at the bottom. Let me just try and find the deposits. Okay, so the deposits and withdrawals. And yet what I thought is you can only deposit with crypto. Okay, so you can use Confirmo or you can use crypto. There are quite a few coins to choose from. So you're not limited. You've got Bitcoin. I can see Tether. You can see Litecoin and multiple others on there. So there's obviously a lot of options for you if you are a crypto fan. Right now, that was EnviFX versus LQDFX. Let me know down in the comments your opinions and which one would you be more swayed to. Okay, but for me personally, again, EnviFX has taken it for me. I think where it offers not the different account types, like obviously with LQDFX, you have to get the VIP plan, which is the 25,000 deposit to receive those zero spreads. Not only that, with the only deposit in cryptos, whereas EnviFX does the bank, credit or debit card and crypto options. So it widens the audience for whoever wants to start in the financial markets. It also covers a lot more pairs and a lot more different sections of the financial market as well. So me personally, I think it's EnviFX. Let me know down in the comments if you agree, but also let me know what broker you want me to do in one of our next videos. But do me a massive favor, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button and press that bell to be notified of my next video. But for now, peace.